Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the information about the Google Cloud Arcade swags. There are different pen set are dropped in the arcade in the swag. So let's get updated from these swag. If you are new to our channel, just subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing updates. Without wasting time, let's go to the update. Just open the arcade website here, and you can see that in the standard milestone there is a pen swag. So, and in the advanced milestone there is also one pen, but in the premium milestone there are two pen set. So that is the benefit of taking more arcade points. And in the premium plus milestone there is four pens with different colors. So, and you can see that there are different swag in this milestone and this milestone. There are different bags, there are different t-shirts, there are different pen set. For the pen set, for the detail, let's go to the arcade community. From here you can see that there is a swag drop for the arcade program. So you can see that in Google Cloud standard pen, that is white in color, and how good looking it is. So you can see from here, and there is a detail about this pen, that is its performance is reliable, long lasting, the grip is comfortable, and the design, you can see how sexy this design is. And you can there are different uses for it. You can make notes by this, you can make a singing document by this, and other uses you can Next we go to our Google Cloud Advanced pen. So this is black in color, and for the uses you can see that. Have a look on it for few seconds. Let's go to detail. So you can see that there is a fine tip and accurate writing. And for the you can how luxury looking this, and there is a branding of Google Cloud on this pen, so that make them more costly. Next we go to now it has a long lasting ink, as much you want. And the biggest feature of this pen is that it is dual functioning. It is not only used to write on the notebook, but you can use it to on your mobile phone or any touch screen you want. So that is the biggest feature of this. And here you can see at the top there is its stylus, a tip by which you can use it in any touch screen. So that is the biggest feature of this. And comment to this video how this feature help you out. And let's go to the Google Cloud Premium pen set. There are two pen sets for this. The functionality is almost same, but you get a different design for those, because here you can see There is also stairless strip. So that is about this. It is almost similar to the advanced milestone. So you can see that it is also a dual functionality, that it has a stairless strip for navigation on the digital screen. You can use it on your touch screen. And again, about the design, it is awesomely designed. How comfortable it is, and the quality, you can't get just the quality of this pen, because it is given by the top MNC, that is Google. It will not give a 10 to 15 rupee pen. It will cost about, I think, around 100 to 500 in between it. So that is about quality. And smooth writing, it is long lasting, having long lasting ink, and that is all about the Google Cloud Premium pen set. Now we go moving ahead to the Google Cloud Premium pen set, Premium Plus pen set. For that, you can see there are 4 pen sets for you that are different in color to match your mood. There is blue, red, yellow, green. Please comment to this video which pen you like the most. And here there are Google color. And quality, again, quality, do not judge the quality of this pen. This is given by the top MNC Google. And color coded organization, so you can easily differentiate with different color. If you want to, doesn't want to use make your notes with single pen, you can go to the Google Cloud Premium Plus milestone to get these pens. And again, the Google Cloud Arcade box, this is a how stylish looking. These pen are, I think, doesn't come to market. So give a hand of applause to those whosoever is participating in the arcade program. Just an important update, that in the Google Cloud Advanced Pen and the Google Cloud Premium pen set, that are only these two pen set are only the touch screen, have the stylus strip for the touch screen. But in the Google Cloud Premium Plus pen set, these pen doesn't have the premium these styles, the touch screen functionality. So that is the biggest catch here. And please comment to the video how you like the pen and what your thought about these pens, and in which milestone you are currently working, and which one of these pen set is your most liking. So this is all about the information. I will drop the link of this website or this web page to our description. Go to description and just click on that link. You will navigate to this page. Now moving ahead to the arcade. So this is about, there are 4 milestones: standard milestone for 10 points, and advanced milestone for 25 points, and premium milestone for the 40 points, and premium plus milestone for the 60 points. So if you want a detailed video about different specs in different milestone, I will make it for you only. So please comment to this video, like and share the video to those whosoever is participating in the arcade program. Subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing updates. So you can easily participate in the arcade June 2024. and you can earn 7 to 8 arcade points from here, and additionally you can solve these batches. If you get a 2 batches, you will get a 1 arcade point. That means 2 batches are equivalent to the 1 arcade points. And I had made a detailed video about this, how to participate and how to complete this task. And now moving ahead to our YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel. Whosoever is new to our YouTube channel, we have participated in a challenge or contest that we have to get 1,001k subscriber within the 2 months. So whosoever is watching this video, please subscribe to our channel for completing that challenge, and share the video to your friend whosoever is participating in the arcade program, so that our subscriber reaches to 1k within the 2 months. It's your duty to increase the subscriber. So now moving to playlist. How this challenge is beneficial for you is that we give you the regular update about different specs, and you can see that there are Google Cloud generated AI study jam, and we have posted all the solutions for the Arcade June 2024 level 1 cloud networking, and also posted the Arcade June level 3 solutions, and also given the solution of Arcade June week 1 trivia. So this is all about, and you can subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing solution. Again, I want to shift your interest to the challenge that we have participated in the 1k subscriber within 2 months. So please subscribe to our channel so that we can complete this task within 2 months. Like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.